Welcome to Rolly Studio Global. Today we are going to see a very simple and beautiful design, very economic, which cost only 40 rupees for this design, and a lovely design you are going to learn, and that too very easy embroidery on a mirror, and mirror work has its own beauty. And this is a saree for which we are going to do a designer blouse, and it has a tomato red color complete body, and thread border of silver mixed color, and here and there you have some geometries like this. All are squares where you have a temple like border with the silver and green combination. Here it is the pallu, and pallu has the same geometries as in the saree, and this is a blouse given to that. It is a running blouse of the same tomato red color, but not having any kind of design on that. It is plain. I stitched it with a regular round neck with invisible piping on that. Piping I chosen this green color, and also sleeves are covered with piping, and definitely the piping and sleeves will highlight the blouse and gives a very high look to that. And these are the diamond mirrors, and few very small golden beads I have, and embroidery thread, mixed embroidery thread of light green, dark green and white color, because it will very well suit with the border given. And now I am measuring nearly 3 by 4 inches of distance from the neckline all over the blouse, around the neckline completely 3 by 4 inches I am marking. Why? Because I am going to arrange the mirrors having this line as the reference line, so that join the dots you have kept so that you will get a very good line, and then you are fixing dots with every 1 inch. So 1, 2, 3 like that, and this measurement is meant for fixing the mirror. So mirror tip will fall on this marking part. So mirrors are placed exactly 3 by 4 inches from the neckline, and every mirror will have the distance of 1 inch at the top. And now I am going to fix the mirror with the help of fabric glue, and apply glue in the back side of the mirror and fix it. Already we have a mark at every 1 inch, so in all the places you can fix mirrors. Beautiful. And it's a very easy job. You have to spend only 30 or 40 minutes to complete this blouse, but the look of the blouse is very elegant. You can make for any floral embroidery or bunch of roses like that, but the designs given in the saree is something like diamond or square. So this kind of mirrors with the diamond shape or square shape mirror definitely will match with the saree, so that I preferred this pattern for that. And later, once all the mirrors are dried, you can go with embroidery, and either the same green color or mixed green color you can have. Threads are available in many trendy colors nowadays. So I have chosen the light green shade, which suits with the piping as well as the saree. So the top tip and the bottom tip of the diamond mirror is covered with the embroidery thread, not the sides. So you can have the count in your mind. So 4 threads I am using here. So this is line 4. Line 4 exactly covers the tip sharp edge of the mirror, so that all the mirrors will have the same type of stitching. Like that we can do for all the mirrors, and if you have the count like that, 4 or 5 stitches in every end, then you will have the very good similarity in all the mirrors. That will definitely give neat look. Otherwise one will be very shorter and another will be longer, and the exposed mirror part will be either small or big. So in order to have the even exposure of the mirror, you can have better counts. Even you can have dots and make this, but I am comfortable with just counting and doing it. Just I am finding the place of the first stitch. So every mirror I start the first stitch in that part, so it comes evenly. So do it for all the mirror. Very easy work, and the tip is also covered, so it won't spoil the saree. Even while washing, you need not worry. Nothing harm will happen to the blouse even after washing. The 2 ends we are leaving, but that won't affect, don't worry. And one more design, I will just tell you how to cover all the four corners of the mirror also. That is also very easy stitch. And see, all the mirrors I completed the stitches. It looks very matchy to the saree. And now what I am doing is a very small addition which will enhance the design. All the four corners of every mirror I am just fixing some metallic beads, golden metallic beads, and it will add very good beauty and look to the saree. And the two edges which are not embroidered also just have a finished look now. Superb. In this way you do for all the mirrors, and even if you want you can do for sleeves, but sleeves have a border here, so that not to disturb the border I left it without this embroidery mirrors. If you want you can extend it in the front neck also. Front neck 4 or 5 mirrors are required. So this is a very simple pattern and most beautiful pattern, and everybody can do this design. You need not have the skill of any high class embroidery here, just to see the video and do. And see, another unique satisfaction here is the temple has been created in the mirrors also. We have the temple in the border, same temple like look we have in the mirror, the two edges of the mirror. And so I am most satisfied with this design, and it cost only 40 rupees, 10 rupees a mirror packet, and 2 embroidery threads which cost 20 rupees, and bead packet 10 rupees. That's all. It's only 40 rupees, but see how the look and the blouse turned very good and elegant. And hope you all enjoy the video. If you really like this, please share, subscribe and like it. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.